Hello guys, TechShun is back with another video. So Samsung is bringing the Galaxy Note to a wider audience with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. For all intents and purposes, the S22 Ultra is a new Galaxy Note 22 Ultra. By merging their two of the most popular lineups together, Samsung is consolidating its top-tier products, bringing together the most popular features across its portfolio. Now, historically the S series phones sell at least 4 times higher than the Note series, so some people were saying that replacing the S22 Ultra with Note 22 Ultra may not be a wise decision, but turns out, those people were wrong. Merging the two lineups together was the best decision because apparently, the sales of the S22 Ultra are better than they have ever been. In fact, the S22 lineup is already breaking all the pre-order records. That's right, Samsung says that the demand for the S22 Ultra is at an all-time high with the pre-order volume exceeding their expectations. Samsung didn't mention exactly how many people pre-ordered the handsets, but they mentioned that it's better than it has ever been for the past 12 years. In South Korea, the pre-order sales of the S22 lineup on the first day are 3 to 4 times more than last year's S21 models. In fact, the report mentions that this reported sale is the highest since the S series was launched in 2010. Now, this is great news for Samsung, and they must be on the cloud 9 right now, but this may not be great news for some of you. You see, because of this huge demand, Samsung is finding it hard to produce enough S22 variants, and as a result shipping dates for the S22 Ultra are slipping quickly. I mean, if you go to Samsung's website, there's not a single Ultra model that will ship by the release date of February 25th. The earliest you can get a device from Samsung is during the second week of April. The situation is far worse at some carriers. Some of them are reporting the shipping dates have been delayed as far as May, and not just the S22 Ultra. The Tab S8 series is also seeing an overwhelming demand. Samsung had to actually pause the pre-orders for a few days instead of continuing to take customers' money without knowing fully when it would be able to fulfill them. Anyway, users who have pre-ordered the S22 Ultra early will get their devices shipped from the 25th of February. But if you didn't get in on that initial batch, then it's going to be a while for you. With that said, people are continuing to do tests on the S22 Ultra. Today, we have 2 tests to talk about: the charging and the battery life. Turns out the 45W charger isn't that fast after all. Sam Mobile did a test where there's barely any difference between the 25 and 45W chargers. Also, Marissa Thebos did the battery test where the S22 Ultra gave 8 hours and 8 minutes of screen on time, which is impressive and should easily last a whole day with heavy use. It's the Exynos variant, and interestingly the S21 Ultra had a slightly better battery life, lasting just 7 more minutes. Do keep in mind that Samsung said they will issue a firmware update that will not only improve the battery life, but also the performance of the chipset. Also, historically the Snapdragon chips have better battery life than Exynos, so the Snapdragon S22 Ultra should last more than this. Apple is still the battery king with an impressive 10 hours and 27 minutes of screen on time. Of course, do let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.